Welcome back. Quick video today on dates, date formats, and how to do an elapsed time or timesheet or whatever. Very basic setup. Uh, Pretty cool date functions in Excel. So here we go. So just going to jump right in here. So we've got a few lines here already set up. So to insert static date, today's date, excuse me, you're going to hit Control semicolon, boom, you got today's date in there. Now, if you wanted to hit a start time, so that a time of day, when you started a function or a job or whatever it was, then you would hit Control Shift semicolon. And if you want the minutes and seconds, you can go to the flyout here. You can go to custom. Sorry, that's below the thing. And it has the hours, minutes. You can go colon SS, and you'll get seconds too. And every time we enter in something in another cell, this will update. So we're going to enter in the current time as a formula, which is equal sign now open close, boom, and that already has the seconds in there. And this was I'm sorry, this was static start time, so there's seconds in here as well. So the current time is 5:17 and 34 seconds on 5:17. Oh wow! And then we would get our elapsed time. So Excel it's just a math function. So equal sign current time minus the start time. Enter, and it's 2 minutes 7 seconds. So if we wanted to do hours, we again go back to the custom number, and we're going to put up in here where it says type, we're going to do HH, oops, we don't want to do capitals, I think it's case sensitive, HH colon. This is going to be 0 hours 2 minutes 7 seconds. Now if we were to go and edit another cell, we see that it's gone up to 39 seconds. So 2 minutes, 39 seconds. So one thing to remember, though, is that this now it will update to whatever the time is now, however you have it. So your start time should not be we didn't cover it. It should not be today. Your start time should be static. But if you have something, this one other function that you want to enter today's date, you can equals today, and that will give you today's date. But this will change if you save the spreadsheet and then open it on another day. If you opened it, say, tomorrow, then this would change to 5/18. So you don't want to use a variable or non-static date function when it is when you'll need, when changing it would mess up your formula or what have you. So give us a thumbs up if you like the video, if it helps you out. Pass it along, spread the word. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when more videos come out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.